We are appointee our present government. Now we Agradaa so obey na we gyina ho. Na wo chia okeke ense mahama pam. That woman is evil.
Abusian beef will be LOD. Hopeson Adorye, or I say Hopeson Adorye, any Agradaa beef will be start Hopeson Adorye, and the Dikai abeto the canning. Concerning dollar mine, only Agradaa makes Sammy Gyamfi, only Agradaa dollar and same year, on say, Edumaba public domain, and will be a 8 now Hopeson Adorye, up at the can same be after Agradaa or Agradaa bay for the Hopeson as I bet threatened. Agradaa, Penyah block media. Mess was any demo. Over like a video, no doubt, my over subscribe button, subscribe, click notification, and connect latest updates. Now, bet you watch on their mammy, our comment section. Mess was over. Now she be the money, so any be ashy. It's ever since a dollar mine, Sammy Gyamfi, a comma, Agradaa Sika, Abromuko, a year, Ekoja, and Ajagaezi, a year, or more back is a Agradaa baby says Sammy Gyamfi or Quahon, let's say if you marry dollars here, and once I'm a be with media national. Eba na among for now the subodo na eba Agradaa. What I say? Only Agradaa say Agradaa ye bay for. That kind Agradaa could be a Sammy Gyamfi physical. And I don't know why. Now, wrong. Is it wrong for someone to ask money from different people? Bonnet. But I'm for just Agradaa ye bay for na ye then Sammy Gyamfi na why na debi. So Agradaa shouldn't ask money from Sammy Gyamfi. No, Sammy Gyamfi na play the cast here. You can just give any amount of money, not even dollars. Give the amount in your local currency. Same you fina jene nshishie ye. Ti mo mu blame Agradaa ne de. Me ne mo nyaadwene. Ko Agradaa nkan je same you say on command that huge sum of money. Wan kan so money dollars. On sika wo de ma no eno no oje ye. Agradaa nya hye. Oda say, Emma, before we go Hopeson Adorye video nkwa no. Guy bi kra be kan serious or their home same nyina be mu say Ghana han your own bia politicians eba kunya so a ombe ye niema ne maybe.
Why? Has those demons finally caught up with you too? I'm talking about the demons that sets up politicians to fail after they've spoken so well in opposition. Have they or have you finally joined in on the things you used to talk against, Sammy? Ladies and gentlemen, one thing you can always be certain about a politician is that you should never trust them by their words only. 1 minute they are saying all the right stuff, the next minute they are doing exactly the opposite. How much is your salary, Sammy Gyamfi? How much is the salary? How many months have you worked and earned that salary since you took office just 4 months ago? How are you able to have all these monies sitting in your car while you drive around? How much is in the bag, first of all? Altogether, how much is it? And how much did you give elsewhere? And how much did you give to this woman? Is this the change you were promising Ghanaians, Sammy? Would you have been silent if this happened to the previous administration? Just be honest with yourself. Would you have been silent? Does John Dramani know about how you are giving out dollars in the street? And what has he said about it? Ladies and gentlemen, this is bizarre coming from a man I have so much respect for. The whole of last night, I had to watch this video over and again to make meaning of what happened. Because it is happening to not just an ordinary person, but Sammy Gyamfi, the champion of facts and analysis in communication. The man who terrorized the NPP party for more than 5 years, which I applauded him. This is a young man who has carved a pretty solid reputation for himself, especially in the last 8 years in Ghana's politics. You are the National Communications Officer of the incumbent NDC party and the Managing Director of the newly instituted Gold Board of Ghana. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not your regular party foot soldier. No, this is Sammy Gyamfi we are talking about. How did this happen to him? Why are you seen in a video handing over all these bunch of dollars, which looks like all $100 bills, to a female religious leader? What work did she do to merit it in that first place? And why in US dollars? What actually made me want to do this video was due to how the lady, after being given a sizable amount in dollars, chose to grab the entire amount in Sammy's hands and walk off bragging. Is it so easy to make these kinds of money now in this country in dollars? How is she able to take that amount from Sammy's hand and walk away like that, like it's so easy for her? Is it because she's used to doing that to you, Sammy? Is the money not meant for something else? Sammy, be honest with us. Is it state money or your own money? This is wrong, my brother. Whether it belongs to the state or to you, it's something people would like to know, because I'm sure you, Sammy, would have asked the same question if it happened to the opposite party. And for people who are only angry at the security detail of Sammy Gyamfi, I think you are angry at the security officers because it's easy for you to pick on them. You are so caught up in your politics that you don't mind politicians giving out monies to people for no work done. You just don't mind politicians throwing monies out there so long as they belong or come from your political affiliation. Therefore, you choose not to ask the right questions, as in, whose money was in the bag, how much was in it, and why did he have to give it to the lady who's only known for playing religious roles on TV? Do you care about those questions, or should we pretend it never happened because it happened to Sammy Gyamfi and he's in your party? Listen, if Sammy were to be in opposition, nobody would have cared, because the notion would have been that he doesn't have access to state funds, and that would have been rightly so. But fortunately for him, he is in power, and he is a high-ranking member of the incumbent government. That is why it is problematic and doesn't just require an apology statement on Twitter, but an explanation as to who owns that money, why he gave out that money to the lady, and why in dollars. This is when we, the people, will be guaranteed that the Ghana's system your party claims to be building, which includes Operation Recover All Loots, the oral thing, is not something politically targeted at your opponent, but something central to your party's beliefs. Ladies and gentlemen, a mere Twitter apology doesn't cut it for a person like me. Be honest with yourself, Sammy. In which civilized or mature democracy do you see these things happen, if not in countries like ours? 1 minute, Malik Basentali is shipping Ghanaian youth out to some European countries to work, and the next minute, Sammy is giving out dollars in his car. Sammy, we need an explanation. There is so much suffering in Ghana. People need to work, Sammy. Factories need to begin running. If there is loose money in your hands, which you don't know what to do with, Sammy, let's invest in agriculture. Let's work with that money and not just give them out. Those monies you give out easily get squandered easily. Let's invest in agriculture, feed our country, and make returns whilst we do that. Look at our neighbor in Burkina Faso. See what he's using the same meager resources in his country to do. We can do same here, Sammy. No money is small, especially those that come in US dollars. Let's put them to use and not waste them. I hope this message finds its way to Sammy Gyamfi, my guy.
What I say? But there won't be bemu, and as next more can there, yeah, sure, I can make a crack. But well, it is what it is. Abusia, Agradaa and Sammy Gyamfi in same year, and Hopeson Adorye got now TVXYZ so. Now, when I to me as a politician who's Agradaa eba, so many come with grand, and money soon crown toss and Agradaa way before. And also, threat Agradaa a bear on the Omon or no Hopeson Adorye didn't any attempt. And I am a empress gift a dinner any attempt. And compare China to Mokrum
video me no biama
fantastic.
Mon hwe se some betimi abono yibi amamia na fe men comment on what is happening today regarding Sammy Gyamfi. Hwe near elkoso no ho like utimi hu se nipa be jai papaye especially appointees near esi asabe ya somu na koka no wo dey before say me kwasem no so wo ya appointee e wo present government na wo hu Agradaa so wo ben na wo gina ho na wo chia okeke e say mahama pam. That woman is evil. He planned to do whatever she was doing. Wo hear attention keke sadi no kokoye no eye boapayo. Hey, what did my term? What did me that time be decided? But I'm going to dare her. What parfait nekui? One more Hopeson and no more me empress gifted. Remember that damn woman. Would you me say but to a challenge? So I saw your bapa one the one more meeting no ni matem. Me not to na me di na kokot so. Ah, how can you do that? Yeah, maybe. Sammy Gyamfi Agyeta ne video so. Ana wo kasa na de wa say kasa no. Wo ye ndi senior wakoma beti. Look, Sammy Gyamfi should call this woman and tell her say free and with immediate effect. On person na meeting ebe pfi na no biom. On person obehu ne mfoni e wo ne page biom. You should be able to do that. Yamubiya is of no effect because he is Sammy Gyamfi. Sammy Gyamfi should call him. Hey, one year na do film, man on body defense bi amano. Because near one year no, was shameful for bufu. Look, baby asem ni see no. Bia me call a year ni bi. But be free one man Sammy mo eba. Yeah, free one man eba no. I mean, rantie ne mabo honorable baby kakama eni ade. Eye boni, sa obe mo bibi. Me mo abia me so wan ya monje na monche. Na wo hwe sa video ni ye pa. Na wo hwe se na no se harase Samia. Samia obia oyefe.
O sa train de ka.
So ne teno. Look, in opposition. One day, na me wo region bisa. Ada me ja po free Samia. O se na o he adam so. O se oh, oni agra me say ai. Oh, we dey nka me pefu e kakra ma wo. In opposition, men na make a chiro. Number co campaign was one of the regions.
Sammy Gyamfi.
Men na me say. And I'm say, oh, and they may send you never to account to me, mamiana. I know you account in the day, and I'm so okay. Was okay, why you know a bit my family me say I. Me say, was sending Miska. I was shocked.
Sammy Gyamfi.
This is the guy in the opposition. Sir, Mahu de Etienne. Before some about video ya ye. Who say, or Shassi, no, Nandi Kunu, walk on one and the Kunu pin. And the phone was starting so wuka. But now I got the Kun, but some video in Angasano, no big in a Dukunechi. I'm sorry, money be. Or no catch or Muso Muka. And we can to Moko will free the left side, ever right side, so be capture Sikano. Sabe obi na woni sika last time be tie Sammy what's over 24 years no over 50 acres na you can say 50 workers e wona adwuma mu a wotu omoka na de yedu kuma se ase enim Sammy Gyamfi ne lounge ni ade woduru ho adwumra se dia manfo gu ho ni ade so on ete no eti se wo enye se wa bat keke
ama papa ye no
me na me ka cho enye se wa bat keke no se o Agradaa ho fenti jisika
e program
no won na wo ka che ni se wo hia fuel what you cry, Massa May, and said, One. What do you say? Said, oh, yes, oh, and young Cadum Namenquaji, young Cadum Namenquaji. And they just have Coco written. Not know we say, obey video. Eti Bonnie Bay, say, one who will be, Nanny Paneso, Sicana woman be. Now, fair Babet,
we are government appointed.
Just one government appointed, a Babet and Bonnie. A brand new opposition, no chunk of which candidate Ramanga. The video be na ba umi agite ska no look at this what the case cake itano the case say what twin and
the tobo momposu video no mame obi akọ power 979 Facebook live TVS was Ghana YouTube nso mo kwa SYZ broadcasting ba umi a $1 no e ho na pese when we say now we dey chire bia no
yeah
that be our for Facebook live power 97 amoko
yes and yeah
me to was me direct to me before na acquire press conference and the minority before na acquire press useless minority no woman acquire press obi akọ power 979 Facebook live TV SYZ Ghana Facebook live YouTube SYZ broadcasting moko se see 2 minutes obi atu make engo ye ba be yi ba o me $100 $100 ye den o spread dollars ma we dey nipa ba ko pe na o che na dey o
akufa do dey na no onu so twetwe ska onu so engita mo no mo program bi
ni nyina ho ba se flower pot of ska I don't know onu ni dey no
no sika dey share dey say
Thank you.
Yeah, I know they change to
the fans.
I don't know back say.
The fans. I
know so now as I say I catch say wa kwako jiska woni pa mu.
Facebook like power now. Where you see this?
And I
about me or $10 e woni pa. Mova video no to so mama. Me enti no. Na mama mi volume.
Yeah. What train is ah?
Okay, that be mu. Dollars in China say no. What say there no watch no.
Why no Agyeta? Why no Agyeta?
Moses Sammy Gyamfi. Man is the phone of Mokoye press conference.
And then your mom.
We are not here saying mom. Look,
minority. Moko eyi omako campaign. Omo national.
It's gonna go about $100.
What? Omo wakwa jina platform so. Nempabo ehye no. Good mpaboa. What turn for cry $2,500. Any mpaboa. Nana B. What shall the shorts? What shall the top? Watch a bono about $20,000. Nana B. Now what general stage no so kwa fire. Who calculate the check, the watch, the t-shirt, the shorts. Yeah. Close to $50,000.
And Nana B.
What they call so just once. Or by another time or besa. The same thing.
Cappuccino.
Designers a boarding
50 cents.
Yes. And I want to talk to.
US.
When the car say, what want to talk about humanity? Pamu. Now we your board chairman.
Where your board chairman?
Buffer stock.
Nana B.
Nana
Kwala ni no.
They say no your deputy. Can say
national service.
Director national service. What free ho and obey board chair.
Our buffer stock. What
now shed now to talk with salary. Now you're saying. I will tell me about 20,000
or worry in opposition.
20,000
what the airport hills.
What you know about the NASA Union? Ordinary watch. This a undim fashion. So undim fashion. Who power say yes, expensive watch in the bonnet.
May what the watch in the
and then me the America. Me watch it be a meba to free America me birthday last year. $4,800.
What you say?
Me bagelo. I not to the beche me.
Bagelo. And not to the beche.
Juma wo yo ho no say mami nkonko dim papa.
Me celebrate me.
Edeja oto e no de bre me. Will be bought $20,000 watch. Musoria Namwanu. Look, Sammy Gyamfi in opposition. 276 constituencies. Every communication officer motorbike. Any party na to. One kasa and the cocoa yellow la sula no.
Is that a free? Sammy Gyamfi ni Agradaa a beef between Hopeson Adorye and Agradaa. Hopeson edinka we to the can. Be sure say woman Gaddafi ever Agradaa ni dey. Obeba reply. It wait for the next video comedy Agrada's response. Ebeba. Aha Penyah Block Media. Accra.